Bonjour! Do you want to make a fancy curry but scared it is too difficult to make? Then say bye-bye to those silly fears of yours and let's say hello tempeh, because I'm going to show you how to make a Chettinad raw mango curry with tempeh that's not only easy breezy but make you look like a star. Now don't be alarmed by all that drama I did, that's just me on a regular day. So to start with, into a jar goes in about half a coconut, 8 cloves of garlic, about 1.5 inches of ginger, and finally some green chillies. Just throw in a little water and blitz this to the smoothest paste. So 400 grams tempeh, all you need to do is saute it in about 25 mils of oil. Tempeh is nothing but soybeans that have been soaked in water, fermented for 36 hours, set into a block and cut. It's clean, it's a lean protein, and more importantly, it has a nutty flavor and absorbs anything you throw at it. So it's cultured just like us. Now I like all those crunchy bits that settle at the base. So I'm just going to add another 10 mils of regular cooking oil. Intensify this with some red shallots, 1 drumstick cut into batons going in, 1 raw mango cut into cubes, 1.5 teaspoon of roasted coriander powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of regular red chilli powder. With the spice blend hitting your nostrils, now is the time to take that spice blend that we created and put it right in. Now in goes the real star, this gorgeous tempeh. Because she's fermented, imagine how good it is for your gut. No Chettinad curry is ever complete without a tadka. Perfectly burnished and slightly browned, this gorgeous tadka is ready, and my Chettinadi, mango-y, coconutty, tempeh, nutty textured curry is ready.